Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between operating income and net income. Both are important profitability measures used in accounting and finance, but they serve different purposes and provide different insights into a company's financial performance. Operating income focuses on profit generated from core business operations, while net income represents the final profit remaining after all revenues, expenses, gains, losses, interest, and taxes have been considered. Let us explore the major differences between operating income and net income. Number 1. Operating income refers to the profit earned from a company's core business operations, whereas net income represents the final profit remaining after all revenues and expenses have been accounted for. Number 2. Operating income focuses only on operating activities, whereas net income includes both operating and non-operating activities. Number 3. Operating income appears higher in the income statement before non-operating items are considered, whereas net income appears at the bottom of the income statement and is often called the bottom line. Number 4. Operating income excludes non-operating income and expenses, whereas net income includes all non-operating gains and losses. Number 5. Operating income does not include interest expense, whereas net income is calculated after deducting interest expense. Number 6. Operating income excludes income taxes, whereas net income is determined after taxes have been deducted. Number 7. Operating income generally excludes extraordinary or unusual gains and losses, whereas net income includes their impact on overall profitability. Number 8. Operating income clearly reflects the profitability of core business operations, whereas net income reflects overall profitability from all business activities. Number 9. Operating income is generally less volatile because it excludes many external factors, whereas net income is usually more volatile due to the inclusion of taxes, interest, and non-operating items. Number 10. Operating income is useful for evaluating operational efficiency, whereas net income is useful for evaluating overall financial performance. Number 11. Operating income is not affected by financing decisions, whereas net income is directly influenced by interest costs and financing arrangements. Number 12. Operating income is not significantly affected by tax planning strategies, whereas net income can vary based on tax rates and tax management decisions. Number 13. Operating income is primarily useful for managers and internal performance evaluation, whereas net income is widely used by investors, lenders, and external stakeholders. Number 14. Operating income allows easier comparison of operating performance between companies, whereas net income may be less comparable because of differences in financing structures and tax policies. Number 15. Operating income is calculated as revenue minus operating expenses, whereas net income is calculated after deducting all expenses, taxes, interest, and including gains or losses. To summarize, operating income measures how efficiently a company generates profit from its core operations, while net income measures the company's overall profitability after considering every source of income and expense. Understanding both metrics helps investors, managers, and analysts make better financial decisions and gain a complete picture of business performance. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.